Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. We are here to discuss about neutralization. Neutralization is a process, as we know, how acid and base react with each other. When acid and base react with each other, acid and base react with each other in aqueous solution, or acid in water and base in water, when they combine to form, they produce salt. Acid and base, when they combine to each other, they produce salt with water. Here acid is the substance which release plus ion, and base is the substance which release hydroxyl ion and hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion, when they combines to each other, they produce salt, and the OH and H combines to form H2O. So this is a neutral system, neutral charge system. Here acid is positively charged with H plus ion and base is negatively charged with OH minus ion. But when they combine to each other in aqueous solution, they produce salt with water. This is called neutralization, or reaction of acid and base to form salt and water. Like for example, if I take hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, this is your hydrochloric acid, and this is your sodium hydroxide. As we know, they all are in aqueous solution. When they combine to each other, the hydrogen ion and OH ion, firstly the sodium and chloride combines to form sodium chloride. In common it is called salt, common salt, which we use to intake, and the H plus and OH minus ion combines to form water. Here the acidity and basicity of both, acidity and basicity of both combines to form a neutral system called salt. हम आज यहाँ डिस्कस करने आए हैं कि न्यूट्रलाइजेशन क्या होता है. न्यूट्रलाइजेशन तब होता है जब हम किसी दो अलग अलग चार्ज सिस्टम को, अपोजिट चार्ज सिस्टम को कंबाइन करते हैं, तो वहां कोई चार्ज नहीं रहता, क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे को बराबर कर देते हैं. जैसे एसिड है, एसिड से हमें क्या मिलता है, H प्लस आयन, और बेस से हमें क्या मिलता है, OH माइनस आयन. तो जब हम एसिड को, जो वाटर में सॉल्युबल है या एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में है, बेस के साथ वो भी वाटर के साथ सॉल्युबल है, कंबाइन करते हैं, तो हमें मिलता है सॉल्ट. हमने ये पढ़ा है. तो सॉल्ट जो है ये एक न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंस है. इसके साथ जो दूसरा बाई प्रोडक्ट होता है वो होता है वाटर. और जैसे हम एग्जांपल ले लें कि अगर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ मिक्स किया जाए दोनों एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में, तो वो बनाते हैं सॉल्ट NaCl, सोडियम क्लोराइड और वाटर. अब इसका यूज क्या है, क्या जरूरत पड़ी न्यूट्रलाइजेशन को यहां पर डिस्कस करने की. तो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन इज अ सिस्टम बाय विच वी कैन रिड्यूस और we can completely disappear the system of acids and base in a body. Like for example, all we heard about acidity. What is acidity? Acidity क्या है? Acidity है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर एसिड की मात्रा का बढ़ना. The increase in acid percentage in our body. As we know, HCl is inbuilt in our stomach, which help to digest food. But if the percentage of acid increases, it causes acidity. And to reduce this acidity, doctors prefer us antacid or anti-acid, which is a combination of bases, sodium hydroxide and all. This antacid react with acidity or increase of acid in our body to get neutralized. So this is the first example of neutralization, how neutralization occurs. The second one is a farmer use in fields to, like if the soil is acidified, then they use magnesium hydroxide to reduce the acidity in soil, and so that they can go for farming. Acidity in soil. Even in bees and animals we know acid are present, like for example bees and ants. When they bite, they give acid, and wherever they sting, it is very tough to recognize. To reduce the sting action or acid action, we imposed bases on their sting, which neutralize the effect of acid given by the animal, the bees and ants and all the insects. So this is the three